In this lesson, we are making a classic potato and cheese pierogi filling, which in Poland we call pierogi ruskie. It's one of the most beloved traditional pierogi filling. It's creamy, flavorful, holds together nicely when we form the pierogi. Let's get started. Here's what we are working with for this filling. Potatoes. We want starchy ones like Yukon Gold or Russets. Cheese. Traditionally farmer's cheese, but cream cheese also works. An onion, some butter or cooking oil, salt and pepper. This combo gives us a filling that's rich and creamy, but still stays cohesive in the pierogi dough. Start by peeling and quartering the potatoes, then boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, about 20 to 25 minutes. The goal here is a soft, mashable texture. I use 1 tablespoon salt per 1 quart of water when boiling, but you do you. While the potatoes are cooking, chop the onion and saute it in a tablespoon of butter or oil over medium heat until it's soft and translucent, about 6 to 10 minutes. Set aside. When the potatoes are done, drain them thoroughly, then return the pot to the stove and cook on low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, moving them around often. In this step, we are cooking off any extra water. Next, mash them with a potato masher until smooth, and if you don't have one, a fork will do. It just takes a bit more elbow grease. Once the potatoes are mashed, add the sauteed onion, the cheese of your choice, and a generous pinch of black pepper. Then stir everything together until it's well combined. Now a step you don't want to skip. Taste a small spoonful. Does it taste good? Does it need more salt, pepper, or maybe a spoonful of sour cream for extra tang? If it needs more seasoning, stir it in now and taste again. The final filling should be rich, tasty, and easy to work with. If you are using cream cheese, expect a slightly creamier, smoother texture than with farmer's cheese. You can use it right away or refrigerate it for up to 2 to 3 days before filling your pierogi.